Please subscribe our channel Education Point and press bell icon to get notification of new educational videos.
Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 134, and here I am going to discuss the lipid and its biological importance. They are naturally occurring higher fatty acids and they are found in many parts of our body. They are insoluble in water, but they are soluble in fats and also in organic solvents like ether, petroleum ether, and other vegetable oils. And these lipids, they are very important from that point of view that they carry lot of functions. For example, they are not hydrated in our body and they are stored as a reservoir of energy. And these are combined with different type of substances in our body and play important role. For example, it is playing very important role to protect our kidney from external injury. And these lipids, they are actually triglycerides, where polyhydroxy groups means more than 2-3 hydroxy groups. Sometimes they are found in the form of ester, and that after the esterification we call it triglycerides. And these triglycerides, they have saturated long chain hydrocarbon. Higher fatty acid means long chain hydrocarbons, they are saturated, and that's why they are in solid state. But the same thing, triglycerides, when they are found in plant, they are unsaturated, those long chains. That's why in most of the plants, all these triglycerides, they are found in liquid state. That's why we call them oil. So here I'm going to tell you about the lipids. They are defined as group of naturally occurring substances consisting of the higher fatty acids. They are naturally occurring compounds and substances found naturally in association with them. It includes a wide variety of substances with different structures. They are insoluble in water but soluble in fat and organic solvents like ether, petroleum ether, etc. Biological importance. They serve as reservoir of energy because of their high energy content. The calorific value, this is very important. The calorific value of lipid is 9 kilocalorie per gram as compared to carbohydrates, which have calorific value only 4 kilocalorie per gram. It is easy to store in concentrated form, in water-free state, in the tissue. This is very important role and biological importance of lipid, that it can be stored in concentrated form and it is not associated with water molecule in free state in tissues as compared to carbohydrates, which are highly hydrated. Hydrated means these carbohydrates are associated with water and cannot be stored in concentrated form. This is the basic importance of lipid in our body. It is used as a transport forms of various metabolic process, as a protective coating on the surface of many organs such as kidney against any injury, to facilitate the absorption of the fat soluble vitamin D, vitamin A and vitamin K. They are again divided into two types as dietary fat. As a food, when we are eating, again it is divided into two. A is, that is visible fat or fat present as the part of the other foods. For example, in our meat, these lipids are found in the form of fat, which is attached to the meat. That is called dietary lipid. Of the other foods items like egg, fish, meat, and nuts. In these, they are found as a dietary fat. So, lipids are very important from all point of view, and then finally they are again classified into different groups that I am going to discuss in next lecture. Thank you very much.